What's good, everyone, and welcome to part one of the series How to Make It as a DJ in India. That's right. So, step one, first step is learning. That's the first step in anything, is learning how to do it. But before that, it's important to ask yourself one question: why? Why do you want to be a DJ? Is it because you like music, or is it because you like the art form, or is it because some other DJ inspired you, or it's simply because you want to make more money and get more attention from girls and get free booze and be more popular and all that kind of things? Whatever it is, just comment in the comment section below. I want to know your answers. And if it is because you want to be cool and get free booze and get attention from girls, I don't think you should see this video, because this video will not help you with all of that. And if it's because of anything else, then welcome to the club. Because when I asked myself this question about 9 years ago, the answer was because I was curious about how one track mixed with another and the experience that it created. And that curiosity made me the DJ that I am today. That's right. So, now you ask me, how do I learn? It's very simple. Now, thanks to technology, learning is easy, and you can learn from the comfort of our homes thanks to YouTube. All you guys are watching me on YouTube, and this is where I learned DJing. And I was already ahead of all the other students in my class when I joined the class later. And it gave me a sense of confidence because I was able to understand better. I was able to answer questions before anybody else, and that helped me. Very soon, I'm planning to start a series on how to DJ here on YouTube, and in which I'm going to teach you all the basics of beat matching and mixing to some advanced elements in DJing. So, I think this is the right time to mention that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon and get notified every time I upload a new video. That's one of my aims with this YouTube channel, is to spread the knowledge around the world. Some of you might think that learning online is not for them. That's alright. You'll have to go out and learn from someone else, or join an institute, or use the age-old technique, which is to assist a senior DJ and learn from them. You may not understand what they're doing with all that equipment, but that's alright. Watching them play will at least give you some interest in learning. Without learning the art of DJing, the craft of DJing, there's no hope for you in sustaining a long career as a DJ. It's the basic foundation, and that has to be strong. So when you finally decide to learn, make sure you don't cut any corners. Don't try to make things easy for you. Learn the equipment and learn all the basic elements of DJing. DJing is not just about pressing the play button and mixing two tracks and asking people to put those hands up in the air. No, you'll have to be a bit more creative. Only then you'll be able to stand out of all the other 1,000 DJs just like you. You'll have to start practicing really hard, work really hard, understand the equipment to its full potential, and start using the equipment to its full potential. You'll also have to learn the hidden features that are available on the equipment, but not many DJs use it. I don't know why, but not many DJs use it. So if you are the one who are using the equipment to its full potential, you're already standing out of them. It's important to learn. Now, once you learn that, you'll also have to learn the music. You'll have to learn the genres. You'll have to choose a certain genre which pleases you the most. You'll have to learn the music in general. Start by listening to a lot of music, and start by understanding the differences in two kinds of music. Only then you'll be able to understand genres a little later when I teach you and when you learn in your class. Don't think that as soon as you learn to mix two tracks, you're going to get a job in the industry. There's a lot more to learn. You'll have to learn the industry that you want to be a part of. The industry is where we all are, and the industry is where you want to be. So learn the industry which you want to be a part of. If it's the club industry or the private party industry, you'll have to learn all of that. If you want to be a club DJ, then you'll have to learn how a club works, the business behind what a club does, and what a club looks for in a DJ. And if you want to be a private party DJ or a wedding DJ or a corporate DJ, you'll have to learn that industry and how things work in that particular industry, and what makes a great private party DJ or a great wedding DJ. Some of you might want to be an artist as a DJ. You may want to make your own music and play your own music in your own gigs. For that, you'll have to learn music production side by side. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't have to be a producer to be a great DJ, but that will surely help. I will tell you more about music production in my future videos, but in this series, I just want to concentrate on DJing. So we're going to stick to that. So to sum things up, learn the industry, learn the craft of DJing. That's the first step in creating a great foundation, a solid foundation, and in earning a living as a DJ. Never stop learning. I am still learning myself. There are a lot of things that keep changing in the industry. New equipments keep coming. So even till date, I'm always learning. I'm always trying to learn something different. When I'm playing, I try to do something different. So learning should never stop. That's very important to get yourself that first gig. And also to get that first gig, you'll have to be a brand. That's the next step. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.